particular question, they have given you the total frequency here already. And total frequency actually refers to the total number of people that participated in the survey, okay, or depending on what the question context is. I hope that your answers here are the frequency of each category. So this individually is what we refer to as frequency. Okay. Then the number of students who like Apple the most is actually 100 in this particular case. Right? Then as mentioned earlier, the total frequency refers to the total number of students across all the categories. So in this case, if you were to add up with all these values, it should give you 500. Okay. Sometimes questions could be such that they give you 500 over here, they don't give you a value here. So they maybe call this A. And they ask you to find the value of A. So how can we find the value of A? We take 500 minus away everything else. Okay, then we'll get this value. Right? So that's for frequency table. Okay? I'll just very quickly run through because I want to make sure your notes are accurate. By right, if you watch the video, the answers are actually there. Then for pictogram, it is a statistical graph that uses pictures or symbols that represent quantities. Okay? So the features of a pictogram are such that you have a title and sometimes a description. And then over here, you have a key that tells you what each symbol actually represents. Okay? Then, in the bar graph, it also represents quantities. Okay? So, the features of a bar graph are such that you have a title that tells you what is being represented. Okay? And then your axis over here tells you what each bar represents. Okay, the axis titles. And then the bars are of the same width. Okay? That means that the size over here is always the same. Okay? It cannot be one fat, one skinny. It must be all the same fatness or the same skinniness. Okay? In our exam, you are usually not expected, okay, to actually draw out a diagram, okay, or to construct any of this diagram. Right? But you must know how to read. Okay, likewise for pie chart, you are not going to be expected to know how to construct one as well. Maybe in primary school you did that already. Did you draw a pie chart in primary school? No? Okay. Okay, so in a pie chart, because it is circular, the sum of all these angles must add up to be 360 degrees. Okay, and the angles by right should be proportional. It cannot be 200 degrees, they end up very small size. Okay, it needs to be proportional. Okay. So, what is being meant by the very first sentence? That the size of the entire pie chart does not matter. Your pie chart can be very big, okay? But it doesn't affect the angle. Okay? If it's 200 degrees, it's still 200 degrees. No matter how big the pie chart is. Alright? Then for line graphs, the purpose is to show the trend in data over a period of time. Okay? So, it is a diagram you have some Because it's supposed to show a trend, okay, between 1980 to 1990. Can I say go and find out what is the Singapore's fertility rate in 1985? I cannot, okay? You cannot go and read in the center and then see what is this value. So that is not acceptable when it comes to a line graph. A line graph is to show us the general trend. So we need to have a macro view, zoom out and see just whether how it increases or decreases. Okay? So that is what we mean by observing a trend. It is not meant for us to read for exact values. Okay? Alright, so that's for your notes portion. Let's run through our answers for the questions over here. Okay, I'm not going to mark the piece of work, so please mark your own work. Okay, for question 1, this is a pictogram question. We want to state the number of cars produced on Tuesday as well as Thursday. I'm going to choose people, okay, to answer. Right? Singru. Stand up, yeah. I think looks like you forgot not warm up yet. Yeah. Yes. Evan, can you tell me what the answer for part A? Number of cars for Tuesday. You got to do the work. So then can you tell me now? How many cars are there? 130. Okay, so we take 6.5 times 20. Okay, because on Tuesday there are 6.5 cars. Okay, and then times 20, thank you. So you get 130. Okay. Yeah, minus here. That's fine. Okay. Second, you never compare on. Okay. Part B, Thursday. Let's see. Emmanuel. Okay, big pay was the last one. Yeah. Okay, can you tell me how many cars are there on Thursday? 100, so 5 times 20. Okay, for part 2, on which day was the greatest number of cars being produced? Let's see. Let's see. Okay, come on. Which day was the greatest number of cars produced? Tuesday, great. Okay, I forgot. Here. Okay. Part 3. On a particular day, the production line stopped for half a day because there was a fault in one of the machineries. Using data from the program, state the day in which the production stopped due to a fault in one of the machineries. So observing this pictogram, which day do you think there was a stop in terms of production? Ziyi? Yes, was Kyra. Yes, sorry. Which day do you think there was a stop in production? Look at all this. You think, Wednesday, right? Because this one has the lowest production, right? Okay, so yes, answer is Wednesday. Okay. And then part 4, Haley. Yeah. 62.5. So who's the answer right now?
No, because I stood up.
But Haley also lag what? Is she Haley?
Wait, you're not supposed to stand Haley?
Okay.
Oh, you said Tasha.
And you laugh at me that I don't know her name. Then after that, now you don't know the person sitting beside you. I can't sure. So disappointing. Yes, Haley, I think you were the last one to stand. Can you tell me what is the percentage increase the number of cars produced from Monday to Tuesday? 62.5, right? Okay.
Who did she call? Oh.
equals, we need to times 20. Okay, it actually doesn't matter whether you times 20 or not. Okay, because eventually, if you times 20 at the top, the bottom you also must times 20 for Monday's number of cars. Okay, so eventually your times 20 can cancel out. Okay, so we're looking at the difference over the original, which is Monday, times 100%. So we get 2.5%. Okay, so A is correct. Alright, part 5. Estimate the total number of cars produced for your week. Okay, how many cars are produced? Lucas A. I think Lucas was the last one. Yes, and then somehow you're not wearing uniform pants, so the more you should utilize. Yeah. Okay. And then Joel wearing the correct line. Yes. Total number of cars produced in a week, how many? Huh? 480. Okay. So it's 400. Okay. Any questions? Okay, moving on. Paragraphs. Okay, part A. Okay, I've got so many. There are total now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 questions. Okay, now I okay there. Okay. Just see whatever. Find the total number of tickets sold. Okay, how many tickets are being sold? Let's see. Xavier. Yeah. Can you tell me how many tickets are being sold? 275. Why? No. 120 leh. 70, 50, 20 and 30, right? 250. Okay, check. So what should be? 290. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Calculate the total ticket sales. What will your answer actually be? Asian. Evan again. Ewing. Yeah, Evan. Yeah, last one then. Yes.
No. Better keep it up.
Huh? 6,400. We all get 6,400. Yes, okay. So what you need to do is take the number of tickets times the cost here. Then add, take 70 times 20 plus 50 times 30 and so on. So you should get 6,400. Okay, I shall not go ask you the fucking. Part C. Okay, if the hall has a seating capacity, okay, if the hall has a seating capacity of 350, calculate the percentage of the seats that were not occupied. Okay, so what will your answer be? Let's see. Rose. Okay, can you tell me what is the answer? 60. Why 60 though? 350 minus 90, yes. We are trying to find the percentage unoccupied.
Give us now,
You never find percentage, is it? Okay, yeah, so we want to find the value of x. Okay, so how do we find the value of x? Let's see. 12. Yes, Alyssa. What is the value of x? How do we find? Maybe form an equation for me. Minus 110 minus 90 equals to okay, equals 160, yes. Okay, complete the equation for me. This is actually going to give us the value for 3x plus x, right? So form an equation, it should look like that. Okay, I want us to learn how to form an equation. Yes, yes. Okay, so then we calculate 160 equals to 4x. Okay, so x is equals to 160 divided by 4, which gives us 40. Okay. Part B. If 22 pupils prefer Milo, how many pupils to part in the survey? Okay, so what will your answer actually be? What will your answer be, Trixie? You share the last one. Okay. How many pupils will there be in the survey?
Wow, Francis went on 36 quite tired.
Oh, calculated. Okay, so Jen, we want 22 pupils prefer Milo. What is the angle that's represented for Milo? Brandon, can you amplify your voice? 110. Okay, so 110 degrees is 22 pupils, right? We want to find total, which is 360 degrees. So you can tell me how to perform the calculation? Or do you know what's the answer? 72. After looking at Evan. What?
Yeah, Evan definitely didn't say the answer.
Huh? So, but you know how to do or not? How? Yeah, okay, you find 1 degree, okay.
And then you
can say
do
1
1 year.
Okay. 1 degree is how much? How to find 1 degree? How many pupils for 1 degree? 22 divided by 10. I hope you amplify your thoughts, not your own thoughts, Brandon. What she really say? I really cannot tell. She just look at, I already see her eyes. Okay? So then 360 will be 22 over 110 times 360. Okay? And then our answer is 72. Okay. I honestly don't know whether the answer is correct or not. Just guessing. Okay, so 72 pupils, right? Okay, part C. Express the number of students who prefer coffee as a percentage of the total number of students. Okay, so we're looking for a percentage here. What you get? Okay. We want the number of students who prefer coffee as a percentage of total. Okay, my question here is, do we need to know how many pupils are there that like coffee? Not necessary, Okay, so you don't need actually to go and find out. We're just trying to find a percentage. You can just rely on the angle, because the angles will give us the same proportion as per what the number of people will actually give us. So since I already know what is x, which is 40 degrees over here, to find the percentage, okay, so the required percentage, it will be 40 out of 360, then you multiply by 100%. Okay, so not much of a necessity to figure out what is the total number of pupils. Neither is it important for you to find out 40 degrees is how many people. Okay, the answer will still remain the 1/9%. Okay? Why I want to emphasize on this point is so that I don't want you to panic in the event that maybe the number of pupils are not given to you. Okay? Question 4. Alright, we have this line graph over here. We want to state the month with the highest price of petrol. Okay, so which month will that be? Let's see. Hansheng. Okay, intern, yes.
9月。
Which month with the highest petrol? Highest price of petrol?
September.
September. Okay. Part B. On a certain month,
跳楼问。
Sebastian went to petrol kiosk and paid straight $50 to fill his car with 40 liters of petrol. We want to find the month that Sebastian went to the petrol kiosk. Okay, so what will your answer actually be? Let's see. Kyra. Next.
Hey, you sit beside her.
How to find? What's the answer?
I really want to ask.
Then how now?
So I can touching back of.
Can someone in this group volunteer to help set out please? Someone from this group.
Oh, you're not from that group.
Yes, you choose one person. Your best friend. Your own group. Lucas. It's just well. Like, am I really your best friend? Like, he doesn't seem to be very happy about it. Yes, Lucas. Can you tell me what's the answer for party? Huh? The question asked, find the month that. Yeah. What? Which month is it? May. Okay. So to answer this question, since you pay $50 for 40 liters, we find the cost per liter first. Okay, and that will be 50 divided by 40. Okay, and that will give us $1.25 per liter. Okay, then we can read from the line graph that $1.25 gives us May. So therefore, the answer is May. Yeah. Don't need to circle. I circle just for all of us. Okay, part C. Find the ratio of the price of petrol in April to the month of September. Okay, so what will the ratio actually be? Let's see, it is. I think.
Is that me or not?
I feel like it's Ethan. Okay, Ethan can give the answer to part C.
3 to
3 to 4. Okay, so April.
4. Wait, then we get 1 point to my group.
Yes, you get 1 point. Okay.
Whoa.
April is $1.50, September is $2. Okay, so when you simplify it, you get 3 to 4. You can use your calculator to help you out. Okay, since these are just two quantities, 1.5 divided by 2. Okay. Alright. Part D. Expressed as a fraction of the first 9 months, the number of months with petrol prices greater than $1.50. What will your answer be, Z? Z. Yes, Zach. Can you tell me what is the percentage? What is the fraction? Huh? Okay. Right now, actually. can't hear you. 33 and 1/3. Okay, so the percentage increase in January and September. January we have $1.50, and then in September it is $2. So the difference is 2 minus 1.5, 0.5, out of the original, which is in January, which is 1.5. Okay. Then in part F, final question. Okay. Stephen is to go to town S in June, which is 264 kilometers away. Given that the car is able to travel 12 kilometers on a liter of petrol, calculate the amount he will spend on petrol for the trip. Okay, so what will your answer be? Ask person, Ethan.
No, wait, no, wait. Oh.
Okay, what will your answer be? $33. We all get $33. Yeah. We find the amount of petrol needed. Hang on now.
太小就大了，你等急了。
Okay, cost of petrol $33. Yes, Xavier. Next question, no more already. For next lesson, okay? Okay. Now let's go for today. Listen up first. Okay. The second set of notes that I given you, listen. Okay. For statistics, make sure you go on to it. Next lesson when we see each other next Tuesday, please make sure you bring it along. Okay. This second set of notes is the more critical one, with the content that is more important in this entire chapter. Okay. So please make sure you bring it.